Let's take a look why persisting messages is such a great feature for interoperability in general. So the overall architecture for productions is having business services as your entry gateway for all your messages. So let's say I have two business services, one for getting data from a file, one for getting data from a TCP stream. All of them are going to a router, which is going to transform these messages into a normalized form. Let's assume we have a business process which is doing some kind of a business logic, let's say for checking if there's any fraud happening here. And then we have our business operations for calling out to other systems or for storing data in our database. Let's say we're sending an email if we are seeing some fraud here, and we are also storing something in our audit log if that's the case. So this is a simple production, simple input, a little bit logic for transforming our messages, a business logic for checking for fraud, and a couple of action items on our business operations side. The really nice feature here is that all of these messages that we send from these items are automatically getting stored in the database layer. So this persistence is what gives us really great traceability and allows us to identify for each session, for each incoming file, for each incoming TCP stream, to figure out what transformation happened, in which route got actually executed, if we identified any fraudulent activity inside this data stream, and whether we sent an email to an administrator or not. This is a great debugging tool when you're building your integration scenario, but it's also really great for tracing back what happened 3 months ago when somebody starts to complain about your behavior. Then you can go back into the system and figure out exactly what happened at that date and time and prove why you executed in a certain way. So this is truly powerful for your interoperability scenarios.